Hello and welcome. So, ang reading natin ngayon is about your February, month of February. So, araw ng mga puso or buwan ng mga puso. So, alamin natin ano ang ganap ng inyong month of February. Kamusta kayo mga kapatid kong star viewers? Sana kayong lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan, buckle up, dahil buwan ng mga puso ay darating na. So, alamin natin kung ano ba ang mararamdaman ng puso ninyo sa buwan ng February. Alright, Spirit Guardians, ano ang magaganap ng ating mga collective dito for the month of February? Ano ang maging ganap? Okay. So we have here the temperance. Okay. Ano pa? So this is like a calling. There will be awakening. Okay, wow. So meron dito sa inyo ay you will be receiving like mangliligaw, ano? May mangliligaw sa inyo, may magparamdam sa inyo, lalo-lalo na sa buwan ng meron naman dito mga harana. May may kakanta-kanta. Siguro sabihin natin pupunta kasi sa party, ano? And then a group of people, sabihin natin na katrabaho mo, kasama mo doon, or kapitbahay, whoever they are, may kakanta-kanta doon, and then, yun pala, ay yung kantang iyon ay para sa inyo. Wow, charot. And may iba naman dito na, kaliwat kanan ang mangliligaw sa inyo, magpaparamdam sa inyo, you are very attractive, but then again, you guys are very protective. So, maybe sa ngayon ay hindi ka ready, or you are protecting yourself na hindi makakapasok, or siguro hindi ka lang talaga ready, or takot ka pa. Takot ka pa na to be in a relationship, or you are just focusing on loving yourself for the month of February. Okay, so I know meron sa inyo dito na you are sexy, you are beautiful, attractive, and these people are trying to hit you, or nagpaparamdam sa inyo, mangliligaw, expressing their feelings, and you yourself are not ready. Siguro tumatanggap-tanggap ka na lang siguro ng mga regalo, kung meron man, okay lang, tanggapin mo, it's free, no? And but then again, you are not ready yet na to be in a relationship, or siguro hindi ka lang din na-attract sa mga mangliligaw na ito. Dahil wala siguro sa mga qualities nila na nakakapasa or makakapasa sa mga standards mo. Alright? Meron naman dito na siguro you are protecting yourself because in a relationship, gusto mo na ikaw ang may hawak, no, ng sitwasyong ito. You don't want anybody to control you. Whoever they are, you want to be in control. And it's okay, normal lang yan. So, that will be your month of November. Ano ba yan? February. Alright, siguro, meron ditong month of November na, no? Talagang ang layo ng talon. Tumalbog yung buwan. Alright, Spirit Guardians, ano pang ganap ng ating mga collective for the month of February? Okay. Good news. Anong good news na mangyari or darating for the month of February? Alright, strength. Okay, this is about like a knowledge. For the month of February, you will be getting an idea, an offer. Meron naman dito sa inyo, this could be, meron itong awakening for the month of February when it comes to your spirituality. Sa inyong spiritual, magigising ka, something about na sa iyong pagtulog, magigising ka na you have so much energy or confident of an idea. Magkakaroon ka ng idea. Siguro gusto mo nang maglalakbay, or something about awakening, na may kaya mo pala to, na may knowledge ka pala sa ganito, na may talent ka pala sa ganitong bagay. There's something about awakening. Siguro for the month of February, someone here very specific, especially if you are a psychic, or maybe you are in a psychic awakening, spiritual awakening. Month of February, most of you here, you will be having this realization, a higher calling. See, tumunog. Siguro nagkakaroon ka ng mga senyales from the universe. A trumpet. Pero, di ba meron tayo noon na pagka naririnig mo na yung tunog ng trumpeta, Jesus Christ is coming. Ang Panginoon ay malapit nang dumating. And maybe this is very specific. You will be hearing this prophecy. It's something about a prophecy na mangyayari. Magkakaroon ka ng senses of a prophecy na mangyayari, na magaganap for the month of February. Okay? So, a knowledge for the month of February, you will be awakening about this knowledge, realization. You will be feeling like electricity. Something about like your energy. This could be like energy healing, or you will be doing an energy healing. Siguro for the month of February, try to do energy healing, mga kapatid, because you need this. Your spirit team will touch you. Hahawakan ka nila, or your soul. Lalong-lalo na sa panaginip, someone or something in your energy, okay, touching your energy. Mararamdaman mo to for the month of February. This is like more likely spirituality sa panaginip. So pay attention sa panaginip niyo, mga kapatid, ha, because there is like a higher calling, a message for you na mararamdaman mo ito at ma-realize mo, awakening. Magigising ka sa isang katotohanan or spiritual awakening, an energy healing, knowledge. Again, this is collective general reading. Kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakakresonate. Kung hindi naman, yun ay para sa iba at wag lang tayong magalit, wag lang tayong bitter. Okay. Yung iba naman dito sa inyo, maybe you will be traveling. Okay, so there will be like a date. Siguro may magde-date dito sa gabi. Someone is planning. Siguro magpa-planong magde-date or magta-travel or something about sa gabi. Siguro magde-date kayo sa gabi. No, ganun naman talaga. Mas romantic talaga no, pag sa gabi ay lumabas kayo, mag-date kayo sa garden, or siguro magsasayaw-sayaw, may disco. Meron naman ditong magiging stable. You will be receiving a stability, for the month of February, your finances will be stable. If you have a family or current married or may mga anak na, meron naman ditong ikakasal sa buwan ng February. It will be a success, magsasuccess ito. Meron naman na maging stable ang inyong happy family, ang inyong relationship. Meron naman dito na people around you or your environment are happy or siguro naiinggit sila sa iyong love life or situation. Okay? So, meron naman dito na magiging focus ka sa iyong health. There will be like a more on focusing about eating, siguro magiging bodybuilder. You will be focusing on going to a workout. Or again, realization, this could be part of your realization na mag-lose weight ka na. Siguro tumataba-taba ka na, kailangan magpa-sexy na muli para lumabas naman or makita mo naman yung alindog mo, no? Kasi meron naman dito namimiss mo na. Oras na para maging magandang muli, loving yourself, magpapapampa, magpapasexy, magpapagwapo, mag-gym. Again, kunin nyo lang guys ha, kasi marami ditong awakening, realization for the month of February. Ano pa? Ano pang ganap? Okay. So, alamin natin itong angel number for the month of February. Check ito guys ha, angel number. Kuha tayo ng mga tatlong numero. So, we already have here 0. Tumalbog na siya. Tumalon. Alright. Angel number for the month of February. Ano to? We have 3. Isa pa. And 1. Maybe February 13, February 31. May 31 ba sa February? Alright. So, maybe February 30 or February 1, February 10. Or this could be check nyo. Ano bang unang lumabas kanina? This, check nyo po, angel number 013 or 031. Okay, anong ibig sabihin ng angel number na iyon? Mensahe. Meron kayong mensahe from the universe, especially for the month of February. Okay. So, advice na tayo for the month of February. Yung, again, for the month of February, you will be having a date, a nighttime, okay, sa gabi. No, mayroon itong mag-e-enjoy, magpupunta ng party, magsasayaw or may kakasayaw. Meron naman dito magpaparinig-rinig sa iyo ng kanta. Meron naman ditong something about your dreams you will be receiving or awakening, no? Is a prophecy na mangyayari ito for the month of February. Whatever prophecy is it, pakinggan nyo po mga kapatid ang inyong panaginip or kung ano yung naririnig ninyo. Siguro, you will be having these senses na maririnig, no? Kasi meron ditong, ikaw lang nakakarinig, pero yung iba hindi. Kasi, nangyari na rin po yan sa akin, mga kapatid, na may naririnig ako, pero hindi naririnig ng mga kasamahan ko. So, yeah. So, pay attention to that too. Okay, spirit guidance. Ano yung advice? Okay, para sa ating mga collective. So, we have here, say you're sorry. So, again, wag lang ang pride. Okay, tanggalin ang pride. Isang tabi mo na yung pride. Kung may nagawa kayong mali, or napagsisihan ninyo, say sorry. Mag-apology din kahit minsan. Ano? So, are you carrying around regret? Is there a relationship that needs healing but you just don't know what to say? Give you pride and rest and simply that with I am sorry, take responsibility and acknowledge your role in the situation. Apologize for them and for you. Then let it go and be very proud of yourself. Making amends isn't easy, but it's a huge leap forward on your spiritual path. So, bravo. So, kailangan, see again, meron tayong spiritual healing, ano? So, spirituality, especially for the month of February, say sorry and nakaka-proud. Mas nagiging proud sa universe pag mag-sorry kayo sa mga taong nasaktan ninyo, sa mga nagawa ninyong hindi maganda, or something na hanggang ngayon ay feeling guilty ka pa rin, ano. It's not all about the pride. Alright? So, drop it off, tanggalin yung pride na yan, and then say sorry, and then that's it. Para naman makapag-move forward na kayo, no? Para matanggal itong mga negativity, itong puot, itong mga blockages sa inyong puso. Alright, so this is the right time, especially for the month of February. Make amends, okay na kayo or areglo sa mga tao or someone, no, na hanggang ngayon ay dala-dala nyo pa rin yung puot or sakit. So it's still up to you if you are ready, and wala naman tayong sapalitan. And again, whenever you do this, no, maghingi ng pagpatawad, the universe will be so proud of you. Alright? So ano pa? Private, affirmation pa. Okay, advice. Ano pa? Hold on. Sana ba yung mga baraha? Ang daming baraha, hindi ko alam kung alin barang gagamitin. Alright, spirit getting just advice sa ating mga collective. Final advice. Alright, so we have here, mirror. Treat your body like the palace it is. So, dance, iyog-yug mo. Again, nasabi ko yan kanina, for the month of February, meron ito makipagsayawan. So, enjoy, Zumba. Maybe, it's time for you na mag-lose weight. Hindi naman na, sabihin natin na, kailangan talaga mag-lose weight, ano. It's a good thing, no? It's good for your body na, mag-Zumba or magsayaw or at least pawisin man lang para naman dahan-dahan matatanggal yung taba sa katawan or mag-lose weight kayo, ano, without over or sa sobrahang pagda-diet. Kasi by dancing or do something na pagsasayaw, no, or something more about movement, kasi kailangan nyo to Meron dito napaka-specific, kailangan ng katawan mo na igalaw-galaw ang iyong katawan para naman mag-lose weight ka, para naman maging healthy ang iyong pamumuhay. No, so love yourself, love your body, and huwag kalimutan na your health is also more important than whatever you do. Okay? Ang inyong kalusugan ang dapat ay mag-focus din kayo sa inyong kalusugan. Alright? So, hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. At sana nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. I love you guys. And please leave your comment below what do you think about this reading. At nag-enjoy po ako, natutuwa po ako na na-share ninyo itong mga ganap sa inyong mga buhay. Alright? So, I love you guys. At